Being busy feels productive. Calendars fill up, tasks stack, days move quickly. And yet, outcomes don't change much. This video explains why many professionals stay busy without becoming more valuable. Why effort often hides the real constraint. And how operators think differently about work, time, and leverage. Busyness is visible. Meetings, messages, deliverables. It creates the appearance of momentum. That appearance is often mistaken for value. But value isn't measured by motion, it's measured by impact. Activity consumes focus. When attention is fully occupied, there's no space to question direction. Busyness feels safe because it avoids uncomfortable evaluation. As long as you're moving, you don't have to ask whether the movement matters. Most professionals assume the constraint is effort. More hours, more intensity, more output. In reality, effort is rarely the bottleneck is placement. Effort applied to the wrong leverage point produces diminishing returns. Value is usually created before execution begins. In decisions, in sequencing, in problem selection. Execution amplifies value that already exists. It rarely creates it from scratch. Operators spend more time upstream. Busyness hides leverage problems. It creates the illusion of progress while preserving inefficient structure. As long as work continues, the system doesn't get questioned. Operators question the system early. Output is measurable. Impact is contextual. High output in a low leverage area produces little change. Low output in a high leverage area can shift outcomes significantly. Busyness often prioritizes output over impact. High leverage work looks slow at first. Fewer visible actions. Longer thinking cycles. Delayed feedback. That slowness is often misinterpreted as lack of progress. Operators tolerate this delay. Many systems reward responsiveness, quick replies, constant availability, immediate execution. These systems create motion without increasing value. Breaking out requires resisting the pull of constant action. Busyness grows through accumulation. Requests, expectations, unexamined commitments. Each yes adds friction. Value rarely increases at the same rate. Operators limit inputs to preserve leverage. Operators don't optimize time, they optimize return on attention. They ask, what decisions reduce future work? What actions remove repetition? What effort changes the system itself? Those questions redirect effort toward value. Busyness feels productive enough to maintain. It pays socially. It looks responsible. It avoids risk. Escaping requires reducing activity before results appear. Most people won't tolerate that gap. The shift from busy to valuable is not about working less. It's about working where effort multiplies. That shift is structural, not motivational. Being busy is not a failure. But it's not a strategy either. Value comes from leverage, not motion. Operators reduce activity until what remains actually matters.